Welcome to Friday Value video on this new series about what proper physical fitness training is and isn't. And we talked a little bit about fitness biology last week and sort of an introduction to what this series is aimed to help you with. So today I want to talk about goals. Why are you training? Now, there's different reasons, there's health related when cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, body composition, power. And then there's skill related. Maybe you play pickleball and you want to improve your agility, your speed, reaction time, accuracy, balance and coordination, or power. But you need to think about, why are you training? And I'm going to go over each one of these in just a little more detail. But I want to start with this very sad statistic. A lot of people are going to join a gym this month. It's January. And a lot of people are going to quit within the first 5 months. As a matter of fact, the statistics state 80% of new gym members who join in January quit within the first 5 months. And there's a magic date that happens. But my thoughts are that part of the reason so many people quit just may be due to not having the right knowledge to perform safely, to work out safely and effectively. Because who on earth wants to keep going if they get injured? Who on earth wants to keep going if they don't see the results that they are looking for? So I'm going to get into that in this series. But right now, I'm going to focus on goals. Why are you training? You need to understand why you're training in order to choose the proper training and which type of physical fitness training is going to help you toward your goals. And some people say, oh, I want it all. I want the whole enchilada. Well, you got to start somewhere. And if you're in overwhelm in the beginning, you're not going to hold on to this. So why are you training? Very, very important. Do you want to increase your strength? Are you struggling to get out of the car? Are you struggling to lift that big bag of mulch when you do your gardening? Are you feeling weakness set in as the years tick by? Is that your goal? Maybe you want to increase your endurance. Maybe you get really tired when you climb a flight of stairs, or you try to take a walk. Maybe you want to improve your balance and your stability. And yes, they are two different topics. Balance is maintaining a position. Stability is regaining a position once you've lost it. If you truly do want to improve your balance and or your stability, standing on one leg and counting to 30 isn't going to improve your stability, because it doesn't help your body to regain a position once you've lost it. So that's important to know so that you see results and you don't get injured. Maybe you want to improve or maintain your bone density. Maybe you got a diagnosis of osteoporosis or osteopenia, and you really want to train and do your best without injuring yourself and making sure that you're accomplishing your goal. What about weight loss? If weight loss is your goal, building a lot of muscle underneath excess body weight just might make you get larger. So you sort of need to know these facts. What about if you just want to increase your energy? What's the best way to train to do that? Maybe you need to resolve pain. If you need to resolve pain, you might not want to be working on endurance. There are different ways to train to address things successfully. Maybe you just want to age well and you don't want to end up in a nursing home, which of course nobody ever set a goal to do. So it's really important for you to understand what your goals are. So spend a little time this week, figure out what your goals are before you start training, and make sure you're training for the right goal. That is critical. Okay, thanks for listening, and I'll see you next week.